At Mobility Solutions, we can't stop bringing you new product. We brought you the Jazzy Ultralight, the top-selling folding power chair under 40 pounds currently on the US market. And yesterday, we brought you the all-new Jazzy 27X power chair. Today, we bring you the all-new Jazzy Carbon HD, a super lightweight, heavy-duty power chair with a 400-pound weight capacity.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. UltralightUSA.com is a point director to our main website landing page that will have this on there once that's done. But this is the brand new Jazzy Carbon heavy duty 32 pounds carbon fiber. It's in the blue, also comes in the red. And what they've done, increased the weight capacity to 400 pounds. I'm not telling you if you're 400 pounds to buy this and max it out, but if you're over 300 pounds and you need more room between the arms, this is the chair for you. It's about 21.5 inches, almost 22 inches between these arms. And it has a seat depth at the very bottom, about 20 inches, with a nice removable cushion, Velcro, pan underneath it. So it's pretty sturdy. Charge it through here. Charge it through the battery. The battery actually slides out. We'll show you that in a minute. But a large foot plate, about 17 inches across, and it's about 6 inches adjustable in height. So if you need to adjust this to come up, to lower the distance between the seat and the foot plate, you can. Looks like you have 3 adjustments to do so. It's got the spring shock suspensions at the front. It's got the anti-tip wheels, and I believe it locks when you fold it. Flip back arms. Joystick is super nice. Could be moved to the left side, on the right side. Never put your hand on this to get out, but it has a new like design. And then there's your speed. 4 gear, I believe it runs about, I don't know, probably the same speed as all these fold up chairs. Has a light on the front. See the light? TSA approved. And then you can remove the battery if needed by just pulling it out, charging it through here. You also have your battery indicator light on this. So make sure you charge it after you use it. And if you store it, make sure you charge it at least up to 50%. Check on it every month, every so often. Fold it down, but it's just a release thing right here. And it's going to come down, and make sure you get the wheels like they are. And I thought it locked. Yeah, it does. So, oh yeah. Just like everything. Take the cushion out. There's good Velcro. That's good. Nice washable cover. Probably be a pain to do, but it is removable to wash. Now you can fold it down, and you got to watch those wheels, and it locks. It's locked. It can stand up. This can come out. You can roll it. You can lift it. 32 pounds. It is light. It's a heavy duty lightweight chair, carbon fiber. Most folding power wheelchairs that are heavy duty are 65 pounds. You'll never be able to do this unless you're someone very strong, and I'm not very strong. This is light. It can stand up. To unfold it, pull this out a little bit. There's a lever right here. Just pull that and then start to unfold it. Bam, just like that. Put your cushion in it. In order to lock it, you do have to remove the cushion. The battery's light because it's lithium. Currently, it's not a TSA approved battery with the unit, but I think they have one coming. So this is your long range battery, and it slides in. The problem with the slide like this is you got to get it right, or you're going to get it wrong. You can get down, but you just remember you're not going to want to get down on the ground in the parking lot. So the better way of putting this in is before you unfold it. Actually, let me just show you. I wish it would stand up. Nothing's perfect besides me. Lock it, bring it back up, and my wife would say, "You're not perfect. Why would you say that?" She does watch our channel now, so I got to be careful what I say. But let's act like she's not watching, and then I'll just deal with her later. Don't make this the reason why you don't buy it. You'll get used to putting that in and out. We have so much stuff coming out. I haven't had a chance to really play with anything, but that's in there. Come here, unlock it, give it a little bit of a push, and then just fold it down, let gravity work for itself. Nice bar back here. Take the cushion, figure out which way it goes, and go ahead and put it there. And now you have a heavy duty carbon fiber, ultra lightweight, power folding power chair. Super, super quiet. Has a little bit of delay when you turn it on, so hit the power button. Super quiet. You know, we talk about the Jazzy Ultralight a lot because it's probably one of my favorite fold-up power chairs. Actually, it is my favorite fold-up power chair, better than anything I've actually reviewed lately. But it has a little bit louder noise at the motor, which has not been the biggest deal because it's just such a great chair. Very quiet. I do love this joystick. I love the display. I would imagine they're probably going to bring this joystick to all of these power chairs soon, I would think, but I just undid a Jazzy 27X that had the same joystick as the Jazzy Ultralight. The point of this video is to tell you we have a power chair that you can handle if you're over the 300-pound weight capacity and you're looking for a folding power wheelchair that's easy to lift and load, that's lightweight. The Jazzy Carbon HD. Call us at 803-926-2224. Comes in two colors, this really pretty blue and a really pretty red with that carbon fiber look to it. Now, how will it do outside? I don't know. Louie, I'm about to take it outside. I don't care what you say. I know we have a little bit of time, but I'm just going to go ride it through some grass real quick. Yeah, it does all right. Can handle the grass to a reasonable yard. Don't buy this as your ultimate outdoor power chair. But if you do get stuck and you have the mobility, which you should when you're buying something like this, to be able to get off of it, you can release those motors and push it out of a rut if you got stuck. Just keep that in mind. But listen. For users that keep that in there. We want to keep that in there. Understand this, please. What you saw, what just happened. This is a swell. It runs water to a pond. It dips in really bad. I just kind of tip forward a little bit. I'm okay, but there's a swell there. You don't see it on camera. It's there. It's right here too. It's fine. You should be able to use this in your yard if you need to, or parks and stuff like that. You can travel with this. It's smooth, it's nice. It holds 400 pounds.
Alright, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and come back to our channel because we got a couple more new products still left to go over. We'll see you next time.